What's up, you guys? My name is Nathan, and this week on The Real Deals is... This week is 3 goals I want to accomplish over the summer because that's really cool and extremely interesting and not lame. Anyway, 3 goals that I want to accomplish during the summer is I want to meet my girlfriend for the first time. Let's see, what else do I want to do? I want to get Doom, the new Doom game. I really want to get that. I want to start making videos on my personal channel, Just Plain Nerdy. I'm probably going to change the name to something, because, yeah. But, oh well. Anyway, to make this video a little less boring than it already is, we're going to play a game. We're going to play Would You Press the Button? Would you press the button? We're going to find out. Okay. You get your dream girl/boy, but one of your very close friends dies. Oh. I would never want to be responsible for the death of a really close friend, because I couldn't go on like that. So emo. But I wouldn't click the button.
I need you to tell me that I'm a good person. I know that I can be selfish and narcissistic and self-destructive, but underneath all that, deep down, I'm a good person, and I need you to tell me that I'm good.
Would you rather? Oh, no, not would you rather. I was just playing that. Okay. Create a song that everyone loves, but barely any people will pay attention to your other songs. Well, I mean, still, you become, like, famous and, like, yeah. It's like, that one guy. That does not help me prove my point. But I would click the button. Click that. Anyway, the ability to stop and rewind time, I would love that. You can't go back to the present. Whoa. So it's like, once you go back, even if it's a few seconds, you have to relive it, or you go back even more, you have to relive everything over and over. That's... Hell yeah! I could fix all the mistakes I do. Like, whenever I say something really regrettable, like, you know those times when you say something and it's just, you think about it the rest of the day, like, why did I say that? You develop telekinetic, I know what it means, telekinetic, but I can't say it. You develop those abilities, but you can never manipulate objects with your actual hands again. Oh. So you can only do everything with your mind. You can't actually pick up it. Yeah. If I had telekinetic power... Okay, there I said it, right? If I had telekinetic powers, I would not want to move things with my hands. Like, I'd be that really fat guy on the couch just, like, moving the McDonald's, like, the whole building over to my house. Yeah. You'll discover the cure to cancer, but Apple will take credit for the discovery. Fucking Apple. Of course you would. Yeah, I mean, finding the cure to cancer, it's still... You can become any type of animal you want, real or non-fictional, but you're a female of that species, captive and live. A long life strictly for breeding. Oh, so I get all those horses up on me if I'm a unicorn. Oh. Oh man. Like, I could become a dragon. I could be something really cool, but I could only be captive, and like I couldn't do any. Oh man, oh my gosh. No, I don't think I could. You could win the Hunger Games, but you would have to kill your brother/sister. No. I could never. You see, I would, like, I have a twin brother. He's the best thing ever. He's like my best friend. I could never
Would you have
never
this
do
dance
that.
with me?
Eat it, Thomas. Eat it. What is it?
Okay, okay.
Take. Ew.
Let's take it.
No, let's do a rock, paper, scissors on who gets to just take a handful
But I
and
have
eat it.
Tutti Frutti.
Are you cold, Thomas? What?
You can have sex with anyone in the world. Scarlett Johansson. But your hair will fall around the body and will return to grow in a week. What? Your hair will fall around the body. So like my hair would fall off. I don't care. It's Scarlett Johansson. Yes. Click that over and over. Oh man, I'm gross. You will learn to throw fireballs. Oh, that would be so cool. But you can never play any video games for the rest of your... I don't care. I can go Hadouken. I wouldn't need to play video games. I could be like the characters from Dragon Ball Z. Alright guys, my camera just died, so I think we're going to be using the freaking my phone for a bit, so I hope that's okay. I don't know. But anyway, let's continue. You can get your dream job, wife/husband, become filthy rich, and every day have a ton of fun. Oh, that sounds cool. But every time you wake up in the morning, you completely forget the day before, everything that has happened. This happens every day except one day of the week where you wake up and divinely remember everything. You choose which day at the beginning of the week. Oh my gosh. Oh. Like, you would forget everything and everyone. Oh my gosh. I mean, I guess I could make like these little videos to remind myself of everything. Nathan, if this ever happens to you, I just want you to know. Drink the bleach. I don't know. I think I would. Was that a bad idea? Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm sorry for my camera dying. I don't have control over this. Anyway, I hope you are having a fantastic day. I hope you haven't fallen down a thing of stairs today, because if you did, that would have been very bad. Alright, peace.
Let's get